We can also count the number of characters or substrings inside our string. For example, we may just count how many we have. Let's say use this method called count. So we may count how many, let's say, else we have here. If we save this, printing here, we have 3 else. We may also, maybe for D here, also have 1 D. So this is how you can use the count method inside our string. Also, we can replace a character or a substring inside our string. Let's use our same string here. We can use the replace method. So if we replace, we have to replace, let's say, let's replace hero with hero is high. Okay, so if we save this and if we print it here, we are going to have high weight. So we can also use a replace function, built-in function, to replace our characters or sub strings. Okay, now let's try to test for a string, a character which doesn't exist. It might be like this one. Let's say if we print this, we are going to have what? So doesn't return anything, just return the previous string defined. Okay, that's how it works.